Today I will explain to you how to make a choux dough. So therefore we need 150 grams of flour, 60 grams of butter, 4 eggs, 25 centiliter water, salt and sugar, some sugar if you make the sweet choux. So we can begin. We put the water and butter in a pan and you put into boil with a little bit salt. When the water is boiling and the butter is smelt, you put in once all the flour in the pan. Then you mix hard, because it's sports, to make one bowl. If there is some flour on the side of the pan, you put it back on the fire to cook a little bit more, always when mixing. Then you let it a bit cooler, and then you put one egg one by one inside the pastry and you incorporate it in the dough. You can do it with your robot if you have one. You put the dough in the robot and then you put eggs one by one inside. You don't have to be too quick with eggs because they have always to be well incorporated in the dough before you put the other one. So your dough is ready. You can use it for different things like choux pastry. You can make some pomme duchesse, which are potatoes, mashed potato with choux dough. It's really nice with meat. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube's channel for more recipes by clicking on the link on the screen. Bye bye, see you.